Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, the Honorable Mrs. Nikmah and all colleagues who join this class. My name is Wahyu and today I will present about final project of proposal with the title Performance Analysis of the Budget Realization Report or LRA of Revenue and Expenditure in Argomulyo Subdistrict, Salatiga City 2020 to 2024. The background of this proposal is, as decentralization progress, managing finance at the district level gets more complicated. Argomulyo district in Salatiga City has introduced a financial management system called SIPKD to make its budget management more transparent and accountable. This research aims to assess the financial performance of Argomulyo district by comparing its budget with the actual spending and by evaluating how effective and efficient the district is in managing its budget. The formulation of the problem. The first is, how is the performance of the revenue in the budget realization report of Argomulyo Subdistrict Salatiga City in 2020 to 2024. The second is, how is the performance of the expenditure in the budget realization report of Argomulyo Subdistrict Salatiga City in 2020 to 2024. And the last is, what is the level efficiency in the realization of revenue and expenditure budget in Argomulyo Subdistrict Salatiga City during the period of 2020 to 2024. Next is objective of the research. The first is to analyze the performance of revenue in the budget realization report of Argomulyo Subdistrict Salatiga City in 2020 to 2024. The second is to analyze the performance of expenditure in the budget realization report of Argomulyo Subdistrict Salatiga City in 2020 to 2024. The last is to analyze the level of efficiency in the realization of revenue and expenditure budget in Argomulyo Subdistrict Salatiga City during the period of 2020 to 2024. Okay, next is benefit of the research. For writers is able to analyze the performance of revenue and expenditure in the budget realization report of Argomulyo Subdistrict Salatiga City in 2020 to 2024. For Argomulyo Subdistrict, to evaluate the effectiveness of financial management in Argomulyo Subdistrict and to develop recommendation for enhancing future financial performance. For Semarang State Polytechnic, this study is anticipated to enrich the body of knowledge, enhance the effectiveness of budgetary management in Argomulyo Subdistrict, and provide a valuable case study for students. Next, I will talk about literature review. Public sector accounting. Martiesmo 2009 defines public sector accounting as an information system that produces relevant and reliable financial reports for decision-making, accountability, and oversight of public financial management. Mulyadi 2008 explains that the application of the accrual basis in public sector accounting aims to present financial statements that are more relevant and reflect the true and fair view of the financial position. Next is budget realization report. This report serves as an evaluation tool for the financial performance of an entity, be it a government, company, or other organization. Through the budget execution report, it can be determined to what extent the allocated budget can be utilized effectively and efficiently. The Supreme Audit Institution, or SAI, consistently emphasized the importance of the budget execution report as a basis of assessing the performance of financial management in an entity. Next is revenue. According to Law Number 12 of 2019 concerning regional financial management, Article 1, Paragraph 7, regional revenue is defined as all rights of the region recognized as an increase in net asset in the relevant budget period. Based on Law Number 32 of 2004 concerning regional government, it is stated that the resource of regional revenue come from original regional revenue or original revenue, which consists of the first is regional tax revenue, the second is regional retribution revenue, the third is revenue from the management of separated regional assets, And the last is other legitimate original regional revenue. The next is expenditure. According to Government Regulation Number 58 and on Regional Financial Management Article 20, Paragraph 3, regional expenditure are used for the implementation of government affairs that are the authority of province, of regions or cities, consisting of mandatory and optional affairs are as stipulated by laws and regulations. For the next, I will talk about research methodology. Data classification. Data by nature. Qualitative data or qualitative data as defined by Agung and UST in 2017 is data that is descriptive in nature and expressed in words rather than numbers. In this financial project proposal, qualitative data will be used to provide an overview of the institution, including its vision, mission, organization, structure, and job description. The second data by nature is quantitative data. According to Agung and UST 2017, quantitative data refers to numerical information gathered from the field. It can also include qualitative data that has been converted into numerical form. For the next is data classification by source. The first is primary data. According to Agung and UST 2017, primary data refers to data that is collected by the research or a specific institution directly from its sources, recorded and observed for the first time, and the results are used directly by the research or institution itself to solve the problem that needs to be answered. In writing this proposal, the primary data uses the result of an interview with the finance department of Argomulyo District, Salatiga City, regarding the analysis of the budget realization report. The second is secondary data. According Agung and UST 20 and 17, secondary data refers to data that has been collected by other individuals or institutions. Or it can be primary data that has been further processed into forms such as tables, graphs, diagrams, or images, making it more informative for others. In writing this proposal, the secondary data used is the budget realization report of Argomulyo District, Salatiga City for the period of 2020 to 2024. Okay, it's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.